I consider during this Silver Jubilee, you have to think more seriously about re-evangelization of this country and this context from and by the Syro-Malabar Church. We know that the Syro-Malabar Church loves Jesus, and still our love to Jesus is very much connected with our love to our mother. Mary is the mediator for all of us to reach to Jesus. And I request you, therefore, our pious activities like rosary, daily mass, monthly confessions, and catechism classes. Maybe we are the best in the world now for the catechism for the younger generations. So we, by our presence, shall become the light of the world and salt of the earth.